Hello, my dear students and aspirants who are preparing for different competitive exams like for UPSC, State Service Commission and SSC and banking sector jobs, and also who are pursuing their graduation. For those people, one of the important subject is the Constitution of India. See, we are living in a society that is framed by the rules, some conditions, some laws, right? So to win or to survive, you should obey these rules. So these rules we are getting from the Constitution of India. So the Constitution of India here, I am going to explain in a sweet and shortcut manner for your competitive exams and for your graduation exams. See, myself, Vagula Madhushekar here. Now, see, what is the necessity of studying of this Constitution of India? What is the necessity of Constitution of India, studying of this one? See, by understanding the Constitution of India, you will get to know the responsible citizen. You will get to know the basic fundamental rights and fundamental duties. You will obey the laws, right? So, you will get to know the moral and ethical values, because nowadays engineers are building the nation. So, the basic rules and laws they should know, right? That's why the Constitution of India play a key role. Okay, now see here, to create responsible citizens of India, to understand their rights and duties, right? Awareness of democracy, boosting career opportunities, like by studying this subject, you'll get a lot of opportunities, right? Like for competitive exams, it is going to help all. Moral and ethical development you will get. So that's why the importance of the Constitution of India is there for citizens of India. Okay, now here we are going to start this topic with some basic historical background. See, you can see I'm going to cover the topics in this session here, that is history of making of the Constitution, history of drafting committee. Like here I'll explain about the Constituent Assembly, how many members are there, what are the committees, right, when it was formed, okay, what are the important acts to prepare or to write the Constitution of India, which acts we basically took before independence, like, and also I'm going to explain the philosophy of the Constitution of India, like preambles, salient features of Constitution of India, then constitutional rights and duties like fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principles of state policies, then organs of the governance I am going to explain. Here the organs of governments here, see here, central level, the parliament, it includes Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Rashtrapati, and state level, okay, like state legislative assembly, state legislative council, governor, like central level cabinet ministers, state level cabinet ministers, right? So I am going to explain the organs of the governance here in detailed manner. Then I am going to explain about the election commission, central election commission, state election commission, how they are appointed, what are the how many members are there in that commission, what are the duties and responsibilities, I am going to explain. Then finally, institutes and bodies of the welfare of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes and women. So there are so many commissions are there, like National Commission for Women, National Commission for other backward classes, National Commission for scheduled tribes and scheduled caste. Here I am going to explain about all these commissions, constitutional bodies I am going to explain. So these topics may not cover complete Constitution of India, but it will cover more than 50% of the Constitution of India. Here I am going to give sweet and shortcuts from these topics. Sweet and shortcuts I am going to give by just following these videos. You will gain lot of knowledge, right? And another interesting thing here it is, we are going to launch this course in August 15th. We are going to launch this course in August 15th with the free of cost. The code, by using this code, you can avail this course. You will enjoy the class. Okay, na? So by studying this, by learning this, by watching these videos, you may get the general awareness, you may get the preparation for UPSC, SST and other university exams. Jai Hind.